So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite people to your team in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner. And then tap on settings. Then on under the personal, tap on people, and here at the bottom under people we find the invite, and here we can invite people to our team. At first we have to create a team, which unfortunately isn't a free feature of the app, but yeah, if you subscribe, then you'll get this and you'll be able to invite people to your team. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.